Unleashing Valor. Understanding, fight like a Trojan. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's rich in history and meaning. Fight like a Trojan. This expression is not just a collection of words. It's a testament to bravery, resilience, and the art of never giving up. If you're ready to explore the depths of this phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, fight like a Trojan, finds its roots in ancient history, specifically in the Trojan War, a legendary conflict between the city of Troy and the Greek states. The Trojans, known for their determined and valiant defense of their city, fought against overwhelming odds and showed remarkable bravery. When we say someone fights like a Trojan, we're comparing their efforts and courage to those legendary defenders of Troy, highlighting a spirit of determination and resilience. In today's context, to fight like a Trojan means to fight with exceptional bravery, determination, and strength. It's not just about physical battles. This phrase can be applied to any challenging situation where someone is giving their all to overcome obstacles. Whether it's striving to achieve a personal goal, standing up for what's right, or tackling a difficult problem, fighting like a Trojan is about never giving up, no matter how tough the situation. Using the phrase, fight like a Trojan, can add a layer of richness and depth to your English conversations. Here are a few examples of how you can incorporate it. Motivation. You're fighting like a Trojan to master English, and your progress is incredible. Encouragement. I know this project is challenging, but fight like a Trojan, and you'll succeed. Admiration. She fought like a Trojan to get where she is today, overcoming every obstacle with grace. While fight like a Trojan is a phrase that celebrates valor and perseverance, it's also important to be mindful of its cultural origins and the context in which you use it. Remember, using phrases derived from historical events or cultures different from our own should be done with respect and an understanding of their background. Fighting like a Trojan is more than just an expression. It's a powerful reminder of the human spirit's capacity to face challenges with courage and determination. As we navigate the ups and downs of learning English or any other endeavor in life, let's remember the Trojans' legacy. May their legendary bravery inspire you to tackle your challenges head-on and never lose heart. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep fighting like a Trojan in all your pursuits.